what is your stock picking mantra? How do you know when to buy a stock and when to sell it?
First is keep an open mind. Second, look at opportunity. I mean, suppose I invest in Crystal. Look at the Crystal's opportunity for credit rating in India. It will rise as the financial markets rise. So there should be opportunity gives a large runway for growth. Then it's people, technology, in the sense that people should be able to change. Corporate governance, frugality. Corporate governance includes everything. Your attitude towards society, towards the environment, towards the employees, towards your customers, and towards your stakeholders. And it's an attitude, right? So, opportunity, I mean, then there is a competitive ability. The company must have something superior, right? It could be technology, it could be brand, it could be capital. All this is at one side. The most important thing is what price you buy. It's important what you buy, it's more important at what price you buy. I made a lot of money in Mr. Malia's companies in 2000. When people said he's a thief, you will not own this, that. But I had 5 times my money in one go. And as far as selling, well, I will sell if I have a better alternative investment. But I will sell when I feel, the stock has peaked out or the business model has peaked out. Right? But you must make every decision to sell an independent decision of buying. And don't please, flower your weeds and cut your roses. Just because of loss, I will not cut. मैंने तो कसम खाई है मैं नुकसान में कभी नहीं बेचूंगा. I think it's the biggest bullshit. So this is the way, and also I learned a lot. I started unlisted investing in 2000. I lost a lot of money there. Then again I invested in 2009-10. I lost money. Now in my unlisted portfolio is better than my listed. So those companies really taught me the how businesses grow, what are the challenges, right? What is vital in a company. And see, finally realized one thing, Neeraj. I invest in a credit rating agency. I invest in a jewelry company. I invest in a pharma company. I invest in a communication company. I can't know everything about all the technical details. And finally, for a listed security, a limited amount of knowledge that can be shared by the management, right? So finally, we invest out of informed ignorance. Remember that, because you are ignorant to a certain extent.
Yes.
Finally, you're investing in the realms of possibilities in the future, and you're investing with informed ignorance, both informed and ignorance.
Okay, interesting. Would you say, Mr. Junjunwala, that some of your finest investments, if you will, would have been a factor of you having, because of your size and because of your reach, having access to not insider information? By the way, I'm not trying to allege that. What I'm trying to say is that you having access to information in the right way, which maybe other people miss because they are not following the company that closely, or not attending calls, or not having access to the management, what have you. Is that a important
I
part?
can tell you. I can tell you one thing,
Hmm.
that I was borrowing money in bank time, and the management of and the Tatas, the Tamil Nadu National Development Corporation offered to sell the 25% stake to Tatas, and they didn't buy it. So I don't. I think in some of my finest investment, the management did not judge where they will go.
Okay.
So this is all a myth, and
Okay.
you can't buy a stock and retain it for 20 years on basis of information.
Agree completely. Agree
So I
completely.
don't, and I don't place too much. I don't try to project EBITDA will be 9%, 14%, right? It can be in a range. And the future, the performance is going to be what the future is. And the future is fraught with so many uncertainties.
Sure.
So I don't, I have no analysis paralysis. I decide my investment in 10 minutes, right? And then I follow it up.
I thought that was a trade that you decide in 10 minutes. Maybe the
Yes,
investment is.
investment. But what I do in many times is I don't buy the entire quantity at one go.
Okay.
I buy, then I analyze further. I see the performance, right, and then I buy it.